In this video, we are receiving the parts from Foyodrive. We are going to fit the rear suspension parts and we are going to 3D scan using iPhone.
Jaha, mitäs tää?
Kunhan tässä speksailla vaan.
Mikäs moottori se tommonen?
Tää on tuonne VR6 moottori.
Alright, so here we have the engine. It is the parts from Foyodrive have arrived. Eetu, let's look what we got.
Alright.
So we got the complete rear suspension. Here is the Audi RS3 uprights. Also for this, we got the rear subframe from the four-wheel drive version. Heitäs nyt jotain spekkiä.
Jotain spekki. It's a piece of metal that... Mitä me tämmösiä puzzleja tehdään?
Tunne.
Okay, so here's the rear subframe. The rear end is gonna be mounted here and here. It's also gonna get reinforced and the bushings will be changed to solid. And also this subframe is getting the TCR rear tow arms and camber arms, which are fully adjustable, of course.
Then we got the front subframe. Like you can see, it's aluminum, brand new, really light one. What I'm concerned is when we get a small hits or damages, will we crack the pickup points? This is a one question mark with the lightweight. Then we got the steering rack with keys, so this is second hand. Also the rear subframe is second hand. So we're gonna replace these rubber points to have steel fixed pickup points. From the wishbone, we are not gonna use this wishbone or this pickup point. We are gonna design a new layout. We are gonna produce it from aluminum plate, which is laser cut. Then we can change these two pickup points and control the anti-dive or anti-squat to have the kinematics what we want. This video is supported by Foyodrive.de. These parts came from the Foyodrive website. If you go to their website, it's pretty easy to find parts for your car. In Foyodrive, you have factory new parts. If you want to search by your car model, go there, take Audi or Skoda or Volkswagen, A3, what we have, and then the model, and you're gonna get all the parts for your model. Here is new brake calipers, cylinder heads, steering wheels, our knuckles. If you look this rear upright, we go for the parts, steering knuckles, rear left, and there you go. Here you can see the parts, which car they will fit, bigger photos from it, and add to shopping cart, fit where you're from. So we are not from UK, we are from Finland. There we go. Shipping cost $19.90, so really cheap. Check out. And next week you are gonna have new uprights for your Audi. Thank you Foyodrive for supporting us. So we are gonna use this time our phone to 3D scan. I have a program in the phone where using the LiDAR sensor you can scan some products. Next thing is we are gonna save the data. The phone is gonna progress it. After that I can clean it a bit, cut the extras out, and after that I can convert it to the Fusion 360 and use this for drawing the pickup points.
Nää hemo ei olekaan. Käänny sinne päin sitä koko ajan.
Joo.
Pysyykö se siellä yhtään?
Oliko se niin, että parhaimmat miehet pitää lamppuja ja kameraa?
Juuri näin. Oikeanlaista.
Kenttä.
Juu, me just tässä, että tähän näin kun laittaisi vaikka kenttään, niin se olisi tänne.
Sovitellaanko se mun 20 tuumasta tähän? Joo. Vannet siihen.
No mitäs sitten? Ohka.
Älä läkätäs sutasen uimmat pois.
Kiirehtely päästä sinne linjalle.
Oikein.
En ole. Sinä
Saisiko tonnekin
voisi
laittaa
pidemmän.
mukavemmin?
Aikala.
Tarpeeksi.
Tiedätkö sä mitä tästä tapahtuu? Tehdään iskuvaa.
Ja se saakin sit siihen jäädä jo.
Juu, tällä hetkellä ajaa.
Purkka siihen.
Viimeinen on se.
Oi
Joku tommonen.
Pyöräkin.
pyörä kiinni ja vetää.
Ripustukset onkin valmiit. Hyvä kulma. Säädäkin on varmaan ihan kohdillaan.
On. Pyörällä on kyllä.
Se on siisit vai?
Joo,
Näin on.
siis se on.
Tänne oli vähän heikkovuotta TCRstä vähän.
Joo, ja se on jatkettu siinä.
Peltiä lisää joku palaa tähän näin.
Periaatteessa tämmöset, mutta sitten tuo tosta parissa on vähän ohkaisempi. Se ei tois mulla, että lisää materiaalia.
Eli periaatteessa vaan sitä paikalla. Että kyllä se voi keventää.
Aika smoothit vantet sä valkkasit siellä.
So we roughly fitted the suspension. We ran into a small problem here. The upright is slightly different that we had in our mind. So normally we should have a pickup point here for the rear damper. In the newer TCR version, the rear damper is a little bit more in front of the camber arm, which is not possible in this one. So we're going to need to design this toe arm again, so we can fit the damper in here. What's going to be the problem is this wishbone is going to be super hard. It's going to be with big loads, so basically if we are going to run out of stroke, all the force is going to come to the wishbone, so it will be a little bit fragile. Not the optimum, but I think the first version will be that we're going to just fit this into that wishbone. Otherwise, looks pretty good with all the adjustments and the subframe on. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like, comment. See you next time.